Welcome to today's explainer. Look, if you've ever actually tried building software around an AI, you absolutely know the struggle I'm talking about. You ask it for a simple data point, right? And what happens? It gives you this incredibly polite, just rambling essay. Well, today we're exploring the definitive technique to finally tame that chaos. It's called structured output prompting.
Let's look at the core problem here. With regular prompting, you ask a question and you get this unpredictable, free-flowing text. The big issue? Inconsistency. Literally, today it might give you a paragraph, tomorrow it's a disjointed list, or my personal favorite, it insists on starting every response with, "Sure, I can help with that." Now, that's fine for a human chatting, but it's an absolute nightmare for software integration. Structured prompting is the antidote to this. We're essentially demanding a consistent, fixed format every single time.
So, what exactly is this technique? Basically, structured output prompting explicitly instructs the AI to generate its responses in a fixed, highly organized format instead of just that free-flowing text. Think of it like putting a leash on the AI. You're not just telling it what information to retrieve, you are strictly dictating exactly how it shapes that information.
And this fixed format, it is literally the secret sauce for modern applications. Really, for four key reasons. First off, it massively improves reliability and ensures total consistency, even across millions of API calls. And because it completely removes all that ambiguity, external software can just automatically process the data without choking on unexpected conversational filler. Now, this isn't just theory, right? This is how the software you're probably using every single day actually functions. When a customer service chatbot triggers a back-end refund, or maybe a data tool pulls exactly the right invoice numbers from a massive pile of PDFs, it is heavily relying on this predictable structure. Without it, AI automation tools would just constantly break down trying to parse random text.
Okay, so let's open up the developer's toolbox. We're going to look at 5 specific formats in action and see exactly how they turn messy, chaotic data into structured gold.
First step is JSON. By prompting the AI to, quote, provide details about a book in JSON format with title, author, and genre, we're essentially sending it on a highly specific mini-mission. We don't want a friendly book review here. We want a perfectly bracketed data packet that can be passed straight into a bookstore's database, without a human ever needing to parse or fix it.
Next is the table format. If you want to compare Python and Java with regular prompting, you usually end up with a 5-paragraph essay that you have to skim just to find, say, the speed differences. But by commanding the AI to use a table with specific columns, like language, speed, and use cases, you get a totally different result. It's incredibly clean, it's instantly scannable, and it absolutely saves you the headache of reading through a giant block of text.
Then we have the bullet structure. By prompting the AI to list the advantages of machine learning in bullet points under the headings healthcare, education, and finance, you're actually dictating the exact architecture of the answer. It completely forces the AI to categorize its thoughts. And this is incredibly useful for generating structured reports, where you really need distinct, easily scannable insights. Tool number 4 is the step-by-step format. Asking the AI to explain how to train a machine learning model in 5 numbered steps is just crucial for procedural instructions. See, it prevents the AI from giving a vague, high-level overview. Instead, it constrains all that knowledge into exactly 5 distinct actions, enforcing flawless logic and a really strict sequential order. Finally, we have the CSV format. Generate student data in CSV format with columns name, age, and grade. This is awesome because it perfectly bridges the gap between AI generation and traditional data processing. Instead of copying and pasting individual names from a chat window, this one single command gives you raw data that is instantly ready to be imported, charted, and analyzed right in a spreadsheet.
So this brings up a massive question. If AI can perfectly format data for machines, what does that actually mean for the future of human data entry? We've just seen how structured output removes ambiguity, making AI data completely ready for software to process automatically. As this becomes the new standard, the entire landscape of how we input and manage data is going to radically transform. I mean, what happens to our daily workflows when the machines can perfectly talk to the other machines? It's a pretty profound thought to take away. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer today, and hey, keep questioning how the systems around you are built.